I think one of the things that's always drawn me personally to architecture is the envisioning of space and then the creation of that space.
Rutgers University is the State University of New Jersey.
Rutgers is a very urban university, the New Brunswick campus, right in the middle of the city of New Brunswick.
Rutgers has a lot of history. There's a very historical feel to the campus.
The New Brunswick campus is an urban campus, and it is very much integrated with its surround.
We have an interest in the city, specifically an interest of campuses in cities and the edges that creates between the town and the gown.
There are not the kind of hard edges that you see on some campuses, Harvard Yard for instance. These are much more porous edges.
The urban setting of all of the Rutgers projects really did benefit in terms of development density, your access to all these basic services for your residents and for the academic building users.
We obviously thought about pedestrian paths as much as any sort of vehicular access in terms of creating better connection into the surrounding city of New Brunswick.
It's been very interesting for us to see the way they've already begun to transform the neighborhood.
What architecture can do is shape spaces, but it can also support cultural missions.
The interesting thing we see in our university work is that the demand for sustainability often is coming from the students themselves.
Being at the forefront of having LEED certified buildings and understanding what sustainable building and construction is very important.
You know, our current generation of students are the most environmentally savvy generation ever, and they're demanding from the schools that they live in places that fit with their values about the environment. We know that the end users of these spaces are going to be looking for those things.
To be able to deliver highly sustainable buildings in a cost-effective manner was really the overarching goal.
What Rutgers was able to do was really create a new link, a connective link between the South, which is largely academic, and the North, which is largely student life.
We're involved in the whole process from day one till construction completion.
We need to build these buildings quickly and cost effectively, and we want to hit all of our energy and sustainability goals.
We work directly with the design team and the contractor, the construction team.
We start working with the contractor really from the moment they're on board.
Integrative design is key to a smooth process for LEED, for sustainable design, for just making sure everyone's on the same page from design to construction to occupancy.
To make sure that the building is designed as it is intended to meet LEED and sustainability, and to make sure that the points that we have targeted to meet LEED actually get achieved.
If you can use buildings, if you can use the physical environment to create more opportunities for more engagement, student to student, faculty to student, student to staff, and all of those kinds of things, you increase graduation rates, performance and achievement, loyalty to the institution, just the general sense of commitment to the place. If it can create more opportunities for interaction, it can kind of contribute to a bigger mission.